Okay, so we've seen that the rate of a reaction is affected by these four factors: the concentration of reactants, the temperature size, particle size, and then catalyst. So let's go on and see how the concentration of reactants will affect our reaction. Now, in a reaction, chemical reaction takes place when collision happens. So collisions are needed for chemical reactions. Okay, so as the particles collide, they gain energy to proceed with the reaction. Now, without collision, the chemical reaction will not take place. So an increase in concentration of particles will ensure that there is an increased number of particles per unit volume. So over here we see that there are few particles in there. Now with a collision, it will be very difficult. There will be a longer distance traveled before a collision can take place. There will be longer distances traveled before collisions can take place. But once we increase the concentration, we get to see that the particles are going to travel shorter distances. So if they are traveling shorter distances, that means the time with which they were going to travel in the less concentrated system will be more than the time with which you are going to travel in the more concentrated system. So here the particles are going to travel long distances in long time. Here the particles are going to travel short distances, therefore resulting in shorter time. And then once there's a shorter time, the rates will be higher, because if something is happening in a very short time, that means that thing is happening very fast. So concentration of reactants affect the rate of a reaction. It affects it in a way such that the particles get to collide more, therefore increasing the speed of the reaction.